Unboxing. Netflix Kpop Demon Hunters. 2256 Funko Pop. Zoey, Demon Hunters. There are 5 characters for the Demon Hunters Funko Pop. Jinu character has a chase Funko Pop. Zoey, Demon Hunters. A gifted K-pop idol, and the lead rapper, of the girl group Hunt Tricks. I love the details on this figurine. The pop head is rotatable. Netflix K-pop Demon Hunters. 2257 Funko Pop. Rumi, Demon Hunters. Rumi is the leader and main vocalist of Hunt Tricks, a K-pop girl group. This is my favorite. The details are amazing. The pop head is rotatable. Two 2258 Funko Pop. Mira, Demon Hunters. Mira is the lit dancer, visual and choreographer of the famous K-pop girl group Hunt Tricks. It's such a lovely figurine. Which is your favorite design? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. The pop head is rotatable. Unboxing both the common and chase Funko Pop. Let's unbox the Funko Chase Pop later. Netflix K-pop Demon Hunters. Jinu, Demon Boy Band Saja Boys. Unboxing the Chase Funko Pop. A Chase Funko Pop is a limited variant version of a standard Funko Pop figure that is produced in much smaller quantity. Jinu, Demon Boy Band Saja Boys. If Funko make Jinu in his demon form, as Chase Funko Pop, instead of a similar mold, don't you think that the Chase Funko will be better? Let's do a comparison. Jinu in common Funko Pop versus Jinu in Chase Funko Pop. Do you prefer the common or Chase Funko Pop? (2260) Funko Pop. This is glows in the dark Funko Pop. Derpy with Sussie. They are two supernatural creatures, who previously served as Jinu's pets, later served as Rumi's pets. Derpy's nose is in heart shape. He looks so cute. How would you rate this glow in the dark effect, in a scale of 1 to 10? Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video.